For decades, turkey was only eaten at Thanksgiving dinner or as the main dish for American families during the holidays. Now, that has changed. Today's consumers recognize the nutritional value of turkey and enjoy eating turkey year-round, not just during the holidays. The turkey industry has evolved from a one-product, holiday-oriented market to a year-round, diverse and value-added product line. More and more turkey products are being marketed in a variety of ways and serving as a staple for health-conscious consumers. We'll take you to learn about the turkey farming process and processing factory in the United States, to know the amazing technology they apply to create this nutrient-rich product. Eggs are checked for shape and size. Once they meet the requirements, these eggs will be put into the incubator for incubation. It will need to stay at 95 degrees Fahrenheit for the first week. After that, you can reduce the temperature by 5 degrees each week. With appropriate temperature and humidity adjustment, the eggs will be incubated for 28 to 31 days and will hatch to create little turkeys. Once hatched, the chicks will be brought to the conveyor belt, where workers will inspect the outside of the chicken through the naked eye to remove deformed chicks, and they will be vaccinated for the first time in life. Workers will spray disinfectant on the chicks to prepare them for being brought to the farm. After being sorted, the roosters and hens will be kept at the hatchery, where they will be kept separately for later convenience for different purposes. The chicks will be released on spacious and airy ground. Along with the air conditioning system, the automatic feeding and drinking systems here will also meet the best standards for development. Turkeys are often raised on a large scale. Each cage will have thousands of birds raised at the same time. Turkeys raised in cages will be fed a diet of corn and soybeans plus green vegetables, which will help make the chicken meat firmer and more fragrant. Turkeys will be ready for slaughter between 14 to 20 weeks of age. According to the American Turkey Federation, more than 270 million kilograms of turkey are sold in the domestic market every year. Turkey dishes began to be popular in America's daily menu. The majority of turkeys are raised in the Midwest, with the top turkey-producing states being Minnesota, North Carolina, Arkansas, Indiana, and Missouri. In 2021, U.S. turkey consumption was 5.1 billion pounds and 15.3 pounds per capita. As consumer education and awareness of the nutritional value and flavor of turkey products continues to increase. For example, ground turkey is increasingly popular as nutrient-dense, low-fat alternative to ground beef. With that said, at 16 to 22 weeks, they will weigh around 12 to 14 pounds. Once determined they have reached the appropriate weight, workers will catch and transport them to the factory for processing. The turkeys will be hung by workers on a conveyor belt and passed through a specialized machine, where the turkeys will be processed to make them lose consciousness in a painless way. Here, the turkey will be put on a conveyor belt through machines with hot steam. This will help the turkey feathers cook, and along the conveyor belt, Turkey feathers will be removed by specialized machines. After the feathers were cleaned, pure white turkeys appeared. Through sharp blades, the turkey's legs and body will be separated. Workers will use a knife to make an incision in the abdomen, and 6 robot arms will be responsible for removing the turkey's internal organs. With modern machinery and human hands, all excess parts will be completely removed from the turkey's body before being put through the machine to be rinsed with water again, where dirt and blood will be washed away completely. With a sharp blade and almost absolute precision, the turkey's tail was removed. Finally, here, after the turkey has been cleaned and drained, workers will separate the parts of the turkey separately depending on each person's intended use. With experienced and meticulous hands, the parts are quickly and wonderfully processed. The reason nutritionists give that advice is because turkey meat contains many nutrients for the body, such nutrients as protein, riboflavin, vitamins, minerals, etc. Besides, the fat content in turkey meat is not high. Eating turkey will give you a feeling of fullness quickly, and the amount of calories in turkey meat is not high. Get full quickly and your calorie intake is not high. This is the reason why your weight loss process becomes easier. Finally, the packaging step will come. The fresh turkey pieces will be packed into boxes and vacuum sealed for consumption. People with diabetes do not have many food options due to the amount of calories and sugar in them. Studies have revealed that consuming moderate portions of turkey may be helpful for curbing diabetes symptoms. That could mainly be because it contains minimal amount of calories, fat, cholesterol, etc. So people with diabetes should not worry, as they can consume turkey at least thrice a week and can satisfy your meat cravings. The farm will then be cleaned and sprayed with disinfectant to prepare for the next farming. This is the process of raising and processing 270 million turkeys in the United States. How do you feel when you watch this video? Please leave your comments to let us know your opinion. And now, goodbye, and see you again in the next video.